Hey Jeremy, I thought it would be just as easy to do just kind of a quick flip video for you. So it's definitely light commercial as far as the property. There's our unit. It's a 2-story unit. We've got a technical classroom up front. I'll show that to you in a minute. And then over here is South Orange Avenue. So again, we're on a major street, so I mean it's got good visibility. And we're approximately 2 to 3 miles just due west of the airport. So I'll go ahead and bring you in the office from here. All right, so we've got a showroom here. I don't know, this is probably about 600 or 700 square feet here in the showroom. That's my golden retriever. Bring him to work every day. Griffin is his name. He's a good boy. All right. So a couple desks. Hopefully you got some perspective here. And then the office configuration is actually 2-story office. And we use the second story here. Again, probably another 600 square feet, I suppose. We use this as our technical classroom, or what we use for training purposes. So this is the second story, and this really gets a workout during show week. So we've got room for about 20 students in here, and we'll run 5, 6, 7 workshops during the PGA show week and average about 10 to 12 club makers per workshop. Okay, so this is the second story, and I'm now looking downstairs. A little tough to see the whole warehouse from here. We've got a Mitchell Club Shop set up down here. We'll take a closer look in a moment. And then all the warehouse space. The total square footage is, I don't know, around 3,200 square feet. You can see the hitting net out there as well. There's the pup. And so we're leaving the classroom. We've also set the hitting net up here, by the way. So we've actually, this is where we'd recommend putting the hitting net, by the way, is upstairs. And then the club shop would be downstairs. Okay, so here's the Mitchell workshop. So the folks from Mitchell set this up for us, really just as much for their benefit as ours. We don't use it other than making demo clubs, but if there's anybody in Central Florida who's interested in looking closer at some of the Mitchell equipment, that's why they set the workshop up for us here, so everybody benefits. And then you just get into the footprint of the warehouse. We just happen to temporarily have the hitting net set up down here because we kept breaking it down every time we'd have workshops upstairs in the mezzanine section during the PGA show. So we've now just set it up downstairs for good. There's our shipping area. That's Aaron, one of the interns from the Golf Academy, doing a good job for us. Again, here's where we've got the hitting net set up. True Strike hitting net. And typically we'll have Velocity normally will keep a launch monitor in here for us. They had to take back the unit that we were borrowing, but they're willing to replace it. So that's kind of a quick overview of the space itself. Hopefully the video has got enough detail so that you can at least get an idea of how the space could or could not work. Again, there's your club shop. There's the upstairs mezzanine section where we hold the workshops. And then I'll complete the tour here by taking you back through the warehouse door up front. And that will complete your mini tour of Swing Science Orlando.